Hello and welcome to the Learning Ember JS course by Eduonix. My name is Brad Traversy and I'll be your instructor for this course. So this course will focus on the Ember JS JavaScript framework using slides, examples, and projects. There'll be 6 chapters in total. Each chapter will have 4 to 8 sections, and then each section will include a video and any documents, work files, and quizzes that belong to that section. So what you should know before taking this course: you should have general knowledge in HTML. CSS isn't too important, but it would help a little bit. JavaScript, you should at least know the basics of JavaScript. Programming fundamentals, things like variables, arrays, functions. MVC, it would help a lot if you know the model view controller design pattern. If not, you can still get by, but it would definitely help because Ember does use an MVC pattern. So some of the technology and concepts in this course, obviously front-end development with Ember, model view controller. We're going to be dealing a lot with JSON data, formatted as JSON, data binding, so we'll bind data from controllers to templates, components and encapsulation, Firebase, which is a cloud database that we'll be using with Ember, asynchronous code, handlebars templates. Ember uses handlebars as the default view engine or template engine, and we'll also be using the Bootstrap framework to make things look a little better. So the chapter's overview, we have Getting Started, which is basically an introduction and an overview of Ember, installing Ember, setting up Node.js. Chapter 2 will be all about routing, how we can create routes and route to templates. Chapter 3 will be about templates and controllers. Chapter 4 will be on models and data. Chapter 5 will be components, and then Chapter 6 will build a to-do list application. Alright, so that's a quick overview of the course. Hopefully you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the first chapter.